5:35. So this is a much longer hike than I anticipated. And I'm going to be very late to my first point. That's okay. Can't really do much about it now. I made a mistake of playing soccer last night, so I'm exhausted. It was really fun, but holy crap. Some lovely oven birds are the most common birds in the forest. At least the ones that sing the loudest. So you can even hear the oven birds while you're driving up in the car with the windows closed. Aha, I found it. It's 27. All the flags have just been completely destroyed. I'm not sure why. But on my other transected flag, almost half the points are completely ran out of tape. So, must have had a really hard winter or something. I don't know. Like, the vegetation looks fine, but all the flags are just gone. Even the stuff between the points. So, I brought 3 rolls of tape, of pink tape, and 2 rolls of blue tape today. So hopefully, I'll be okay. And I am 15 minutes late. Actually, not that bad. I've been 45 minutes late to a point before. That was last year, I think, when we were starting at the top. So, yeah. But I suppose I should start. So I've come to the conclusion that there is nothing more annoying than an eastern chipmunk screaming at you. I had one during my last count, and it just squawked the whole time. There's also a ton of them this year, so I guess their populations have shot up because it's a mast year. So there's a ton of acorns and stuff for them to eat and store. So they have lots of babies. And not to mention they love bird eggs. So especially the ground nesters are just going to get creamed this year. And yeah, so they're absolutely everywhere. They've been on almost every single count I've had. I found some moose tracks earlier that looked fairly fresh, so I'm hoping I don't run into a moose, because I've done that once and I never want to do it again. So the moose was sleeping, and she was in like this depression, and so I didn't see her, and I walked up over it, almost walked into her. She stood up, freaked out. I'm pretty sure I fell on my butt. She took off running, went over to the next ridge and just watched me. Absolutely terrifying.